Hello, Chintes. Well, this week we are learning how to subtract with regrouping in hundreds, tens, and ones. So I'm going to give you an example. I have taken two 3-digit numbers. But before we start regrouping, I would like to explain that if you're using paper and pencil, you can simply draw pictures to subtract any two given 3-digit numbers. So I have drawn this template, and this template has ones, tens, and hundreds. I'm going to use this symbol for ones and using this symbol for tens and this one for hundreds. So make sure that you write the bigger number on top. So I have taken two numbers, 446 minus 268. Well, the larger number, the greater number, 446 is written on top. Secondly, you should also make sure that the ones are written in the ones place, like 6 and 8 are written in the ones place, 4 and 6 are in the tens place, and 4 and 2 are in the hundreds place. So now let's begin subtracting. Well, I have drawn the number 446. I have drawn 6 ones here. I have drawn 4 tens and 4 hundreds. So this represents the number 446. Well, to subtract, we must start subtracting the ones first. Now, if we look at the ones, we know that the number on top is smaller. 6 is smaller than 8, so we know it needs regrouping. So we'll regroup 1 tens into 10 ones. So here we go. We're going to regroup this 10 into 10 ones. And I'm going to draw 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So since one of these tens have been regrouped, so I'm going to cut it out. That'll help me remember that this 10 has been regrouped. So now in total we have 16 ones. So I'm going to write down 16 here. The next step is that we need to subtract 8 ones. So I'll subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after taking away 8 from 16, let's see how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 ones left. Now, let's see how many tens are there. We have 3 tens. We know that the number on top, 3, is smaller than 6, so it definitely needs regrouping. We will regroup one of the hundreds into 10 tens. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have 10 tens now, and since this has been regrouped, so I'm going to cut it out. So now we have 13 tens. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have 13 tens. Now out of 13 tens, we are going to subtract 6 tens. So we take away 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We take away 6 tens and let's see how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 13 minus 6 is 7. So now it's the time to subtract the hundreds. So we know we have only 3 hundreds left. We are going to take away 2 hundreds now. 1, 2. So we have only 100 left. So students, this is one of the ways of subtracting any three-digit numbers using pen and paper. So I hope this is also an easier way for you to subtract. Have fun. Bye-bye.